Oba kuhle kuphindze ngihlanganyele nawe mbukeli wetindzaba telwimi lwesiswati la ku-SABC. Sitetfula bukhoma e-Auckland Park eJozi etindlini tekusakata te-SABC lishonile. Nati lethamba yembili lomuhla.
The two heads of states have agreed on the urgent need for a ceasefire and the resumption of peace talks by all parties to the conflict.
Umbutfo wemasotsha akuleli uqinisekisile ukuthi asalishumi nakuthantfu yemasotsha akuleli lashone eMpumalanga ye-DRC.
Detailed programs, alternatives, as well as different ways of being able to implement universal access to basic healthcare for all South Africans.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance John Steenhuisen uthi ubhalele eMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi bahlangane ngembi kwemhlangano we-ANC leGhotla ngalwesine.
It's a difficult group, even though when you look at the names, you know the names because of the history or the past history.
Helman Mkhelele uthi iBafana Bafana itawuphuma nesikhuni sivutha emidlalweni yayo yakulesi group lebabekwe kuyo ku-Africa Cup of Nations letawubanjelwa eMorocco. Umbutfo wemasotsha akuleli uqinisekisile ukuthi sekalishumi nakuthantfu yemasotsha akuleli lashone eMpumalanga ye-DRC. Estatementeni sakamuva i-SANDF ithi emasotsha akuleli lamane adutshulwe abulawa advute nesikhumulo setindiza eGoma ngesikhathi kutfola neyetulo emasotsha eleCongo nelicembu lemavukelambuso i-M23. Kulembela sondvo lesiphuma kuyo kushone emasotsha akuleli layimfica kulandzela kuhlaselwa nguleli cembu. Hulumende wakuleli ubonge umsebenzi lowentiwa ngulamasotsha e-DRC lalwela kuletha kuthula nelutindo.
Simo solosibi futhi akwateki ukuthi kungahle kwendakaleni eMpumalanga ye-DRC. I-SANDF lekumasotsha akuleli ithi bophelele nemsebenzi wayo kuletha kuthula ngemva kokubulawa kwemasotsha ayo lalishumi nakuthathu 13 ngesikhathi alwa nelicembu lemavukelambuso i-M23.
These attacks from the M23 are in violation of the ceasefire that was brokered through the Luanda process. We deplore the unwarranted attacks against MONUSCO and the South African Development Community Mission in the DRC's uniformed personnel who are deployed not only to promote peace, security and stability in the Eastern DRC, but by extension in the African continent in general.
Sekunelubito lwekuthi emasotsha asekelwe eCongo. Mengameli wakuleli Cyril Ramaphosa ukhuluma nemlingani wakhe wele Rwanda Paul Kagame.
The two heads of states have agreed on the urgent need for a ceasefire and the resumption of peace talks by all parties to the conflict.
Setulu njengoba nenhlangano yebunye bemavela seMpumalanga neAfrika itaba nemhlangano kusasa kutobhunga kabandi ngalesimo.
Discussed the summit meeting for Wednesday both with President Paul Kagame and President Felix Tshisekedi, and both of them have confirmed their participation in the summit on Wednesday.
Kunelicembu lebantu bakulela live labakanekise enhlokodolobha iKinshasa livayise ukuthukuthela kwalo ngalesimo ngaphandle emahhovisini elincusa laseFrance. Kuqhubekela embili ngato tase-DRC simukela umhleli wetindzaba tangaphandle SABC Sophie Mkwena. Asikubingelele sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho mlingani.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngabe iqale njani lembe e-DRC njengoba phela sekuphela iminyaka solo ikhona kubangwani bamba?
Esikwaziyo ukuthi Kinshasa indlunkulu ayibanakekeli ngakho ke bafuna ukuthi bazibuse noma umbuso wase-DRC nawo bathathe njengabantu base-DRC. Cishe ifana nento efana neNingizimu Afrika masithi ngomzekelo uma mhlambe abantu base-Free State bangathi ayithina ngoba singabesuthu si South Africa but South Africa ayinandaba nathi ithi sizwe ilisuthu. Uyabona uma kuba khona abantu abangaxolanga phakathi kwelizwe ngenxa yalento kaningi esibiza ukuthi tribalism. Uthola ukuthi leyo group incane abantu abayithatheli phezulu umbuso awuyinakekeli. kulethe lokho ukuhlukana lokho kwalabo abantu abaphansi kwalombuso we-DRC. Ngakho ke kufuneka ukuthi i-DRC ophethe i-DRC axoxe nabonke abantu base-DRC ukuze ukuthi kube nokuthula kulela lizwe.
Solo siyenyuka sibalo semasotsha akuleli lashona i-DRC. Ingabe anato yini ikhali letanele tekula ne-M23?
Amasotsha ase-DRC siyazi ukuthi anenkinga ngoba solo kwakuliwa isikhathi eside kakhulu. Lelo lizwe linenkinga. Ngakho ke siyazi ukuthi kungakho masikhuluma nje kunamasotsha amaningi abuya endaweni ezihlukahlukene abasizayo. Ngakho ke angikholwa ukuthi bangakhona ukuthi bazimele babodwa. Kungakho basizwa amanye amazwe ukuthi bakhone ukuthi mhlambe balwe nezitha zabo. Ngakho ke kudingeka ukuthi kube nokuthula, makuba nokuthula lapha kulela lizwe, lelo lizwe ophethe akhe lelo lizwe. Yiyo into efunekayo lapha.
Mam Sophie, ingabe butawuba njani ubudlelwane emkhathini waleli nele DRC kufaka ikhathi neRwanda njengoba phela sekunembiko lematanisa lelave neM23?
Esikwaziyo ukuthi iRwanda iseka le-M23 ngoba ithi uyazi ukuthi eminyakeni eyi-30 edlulile ngo-1994 kwaba nokubulala kwabantu abaningi eRwanda esikubiza ngokuthi Rwandan genocide, kubulawa amatutsi. Manje labantu ababulala amatutsi kuthiwa umbuso waseRwanda babalekele ngase-DRC. Manje le Phekulazi Khune balokhu bafuna ukubuya bayolwa futhi. Manje iRwanda ithi uma niseka nivumela labantu bahlale kulezwe lenu, labantu bafuna ukuthikamisa ukuthula ezweni lethu iRwanda. Ngakho ke nathi sizoseka laba ke ngoba iphambi kweborder ye-DRC neRwanda kulapho labahlala khona. Ngakho ke inkinga ye-M23 yokuthi kuthiwa isekwa iRwanda ivela lapho ngoba neRwanda nayo ithi nani niseka labantu laba ababalekela ezweni lenu, laba ababulala abantu la eDRC.
Masofi, uthini uhulumende ngekubhubha kwalamasosha akuleli ikakhulukazi emindenini naseSteven?
Izwe eselizwile ukuthi ungqongqoshe wendaba zamasotsha uzaba nako ukukhuluma neintatheli kusasa. Sizezwa kahle ke ukuthi kwenzakalani nokuthi bazwenza njani ukuthi balethe lemizimba yamasotsha lawa abulalwe eDRC nokuthi mhlambe uhulumeni uyenzani ukwenza ukuthi ngoba kusenamasotsha amaningi lapha ukuthi mhlambe bangazitholi nabo ba nenkinga efana nalaba kufa abanye njengoba sesibona ukuthi namhlanje sitshelwe ngalaba abayi4 omunye ke ushonele esibhedlela ngoba wayelimele ngolesihlanu makuliwa, abanye ngathi ke babulalwe izolo noma ngentathakusa namhlanje lesikhathi iM23 iphonsa ibhomu kulapho labahlala khona lapho bayakhe khona.
Sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho mlingane.
Ngiyabonga.
Kanti ke nguSophie Mkwena lo ngumhleli wetindzaba tangaphandle khona lapha eSABC bekanze sibuka kabanti indzaba yase-DRC lapho ke sekubikwe ukuthi kunemasosha akulelive leningizimu Afrika langu-13 lesevele ke alahlekelwe ngumdimbilo tawo. Umholi we-Democratic Alliance John Steenhuisen uthi ubhalele mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi bahlangane ngembiko emhlangano we-ANC leHotla ngalwesine. Uthi ke unelithemba lwekuthi lo mhlangano utawuba sinyathelo sekucala sekuletha kutinda emkhathini kwamalunga la ingcenye yahulumende welibumbano lwavelonke. Steenhuisen uthi iDA itibophelele kulo hulumende welibumbano kanti ke iwubona njengenjini letawunonophisa umnotho yakhe nematfuba emisebenzi.
Umholi we-DA John Steenhuisen uthi ingoti lenkulu nyalo ukuthi uhulumende achubeke nelihlelo lwemshwalense wetempilo wavelonke ngaphandle kwekuva umbono welicembu le-DA nalamanye amacembu langaphasi kwahulumende welibumbano lwavelonke. Steenhuisen uthi akabona ukuthi NHI itawuphucula tempilo ngaphandle kwekucekela phasi tikhungo tetempilo letitimele.
A very real risk to the country however still remains, and that risk is the implementation of the NHI. We have submitted over the course of the last few months detailed programs, alternatives, as well as costed different ways of being able to implement universal access to basic health care for all South Africans, regardless of their income status or geographic area.
Stenhazen undlulise emava endludute emindenini yemasotsha la-13 lashona eMpumalanga eDemocratic Republic of Congo.
I wish to express the condolences of our party on all of those South African soldiers, those brave men and women who have lost their life in Goma during the course of this week. Our thoughts and prayers are with their families, and we remain in deep awe of their service to our country.
Leli qembu lisishaqekile kulandzela kuhlikihlwa kwemthetho ekubuyiselwa kwemhlaba. Kanti lithi lo mthetho uhlikihlwe ngaphandle kwembono wetemthetho lobuya endvuneni ye-DA Dean McPherson. Emaphoyisa eMpumalanga athi enyuse izinga leqapha kulandzela kuhlaselwa ngesihluku nesibinzi kwesikhungo semabhasi ePATCO esigodini senkangala iTolo Nzambama. Bantfu lebebahlomile labangatiwa bagaleleke etikhungweni letahlukahlukene tePATCO lekungilapho khona balumeke ngemlilo emabhasi. Kwathi ke langetulu kwema-15 asha angconca. Baningati balamabhasi bathi solo abati kuthashiselwani kanti sebavule licala lekushisa ngenhloso lelisaphenywa.
Amabhasi etikhumulweni letine temabhasi ePATCO kudale umonakalo kulesifundza ngikusho kwetiphathimandla tekampani iPATCO kuthelekele licembu lebantfu labangatiwa esikhumulweni imoloto iTolo lahlasela bonogada bangakalindzeli ngaphambi kwekuthi bashise lamabhasi.
Of shots here. This is of course collaborated by the forensics that were here, saying that they found cartridges, but they fired and then they petrol bombed the buses, as you see some of them here. So like you said, we don't know the motive, but later on in the night we did see that was the reality in other depots.
Esiyabuswa kube netehlakalo letifanako letishiya umonakalo lomkhulu ayachubeka nekutfala abantu lamabhasi alenkampani ngaphasi kwesandla sabonogada labacaphengeliso laloheya.
Of these buses that were burnt, you'd find that the service is not to the level with which people are used to.
Lolu dlame liholele ekutheni kulima letisebenti letimbili, munye uye wadutshulwa enyaweni lomunye ke washaywa inhloko ngesitulo. Emaphoyisa vete lolu dlame njengalolihleliwe.
A team of investigators have already been assembled by the Acting Provincial Commissioner of SAPS in Mpumalanga, Major General Dr. Zef Mkhwana, who strongly condemned this incident. And the team is working around the clock to ensure that the perpetrators of this heinous crime are swiftly brought to book.
Enetikweni letekuthutsa titse tawukhulumisana nebaholi bePATCO kwentela kwehlisa kuphatamiseka kwebagibeli.
I call upon law enforcement authorities to conduct a thorough investigation to determine the cause of the fire. This incident is not only a loss for the bus company, but also a severe setback for communities who depend on this bus public transport services for their daily commuting.
Lenkampani ithi takubeka embili kusebenta kwemabhasi lahamba ekuseni nanzambama kwendela ukuthi kungabi nekuphatamiseka.
Kuletinye uMasibiya iTolo. Emalunga emmango lakhathatekile kaBhongweni ngaphandle kweWhite River eMpumalanga ende lubito kuhulumende wesifundza ukuthi akangenelele kulokucekelwa phansi kwesakhiwo lebesiyikolishi yabothishela iElijah Mango. Bamukelekile mbukeli esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati uma ucedza ngena ukhethe kahle disekhona hlala nathi. Emalunga emmango lakhathatekile kaBhongweni ngaphandle kweWhite River eMpumalanga ende lubito kuhulumende wesifundza ukuthi akangenelele kulokucekelwa phansi kwesakhiwo lebesiyikolishi yabothishela iElijah Mango. Lo mmango uthi ke kuleminyaka lelishumi leyengcile besolo ukhulumisana nematiko ahulumende wesifundza lahlukene kuthi ke ivulwe futhi lekolishi kepha solo kude lokwendekako. Uphindze wamveta ukuthi lesakhiwo sesaba indzawo yemigulukutvu letikabeta ummango kanti ke sekuboshwe bantfu labanyendi labatfolakale nempahla yale kolishi.
Le kolishi Elijah Mango yakhiwa nga-1986 yabese ivalwa nga-1999. Beyisetshenziswa njengekolishi lececesha abothishela labangetulu kwetinkulungwane letisihlanu. Ngekusho kwemmango lapha kunalo lonke luhlobo lwebugebengu. Etinyangeni letimbalwa letengcile litiko letemphilo belisebentisa ingcenye yalesakhiwo. Ganzi libese liyahamba kulandzela kukhatsateka ngetekuphepha.
This facility was neglected by government. Let me say government because I don't want to name departments. After that, thugs in the community saw an opportunity to come and loot here.
Lomunye wetijuden letafundza kule college uthi kubuhlungu kubona lesikhungo lesakhicita bothishela labasezingeni sishabalala.
Even before vandalism, it was not maintained properly for some years.
Insha yakulendzawo ithi bugebengu busetulu kakhulu kulendzawo.
There's a lot of qualified youth out there not working, and they end up coming here at Mango digging the cables because they're hungry.
Litiko letemsebenzi esive lithi lolu dzaba lubekwe embili.
Our technical team will be visiting this institution to make assessment as far as what should be done going forward.
Leli tiko liphindze lethembisa kwetfula lolu dzaba ku cabinet kanti ke kwanyalo ummango ucaphele sakhiwo.
Uhulumende wesifundza iKwaZulu-Natal uthi utakwenda konke lokusemandleni ekulwisaneni nekuthengiswa kwembahla ye-Ithala SOC Limited. Lokhu kulandzela ukuthi umlawuli lobekwe libhange ngodla athole ukuthi i-Ithala isebenta ngalokungemthetho. Lokuthengiswa kwembahla ye-Ithala kuthi kameta emakhasimende aleli bhange labalela ku-200,000. Lokungahleke kuholele ekutheni lamakhasimende alahlekelwe imali leyifake kuleli bhange. Mvunankulu Thami Nduli naletinye tikhulu kulesifundza bebakhuluma nabetindzaba lomuhla kanti ke bathi abanediseki ngetinyathelo lethethwe ngumlawuli.
Uhulumeni waKwaZulu-Natal uthi usuhlanganise ithimba labameli ukuphonsela inselelo isicelo sokuba kuvalwe ithala enkantolo ephakeme eMgungundlovu. Lesikhungo semali besingenalo igunya lokuba yibhange kepha besebenza ngaphansi kwemvume ekhishwa ungqongqoshe wezemali. Ithala liphethwe uhulumeni wesifundazwe. Izinkumbi zabantu ikakhulukazi abaqhamuka ezindaweni zasemakhaya zisebenzisa lesikhungo ukugcina imali.
We must give assurance the people of KwaZulu-Natal that Ithala will never be buried alive. We are there to ensure that Ithala is being sustained. We will fight using all platforms and weapons we have.
Imvume yokusebenza kwalesikhungo iphele ngoZibandlela wango-2023. Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi siyasolisa isinqumo sokumiswa kokusebenza kwalesikhungo.
They decided that on the verge of the month end, they restrained the activities of Ithala, understanding quite very well the impact that was going to have.
Umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho esifundazweni uthi siyamangaza isinqumo sikangqongqoshe wezemali kuzolonke sokuthi ke imali ebibekelwe ukuvikela abantu abafake imali yabo eThala iyiswe kwamanye amabhange akuleli.
The national minister has authorized this guarantee of 2.1 billion rand to give comfort to the commercial banks who says, oh, but these clients are rural based. They are small business. They are very finicky clients.
Umgcinimafa uqinisekise izakhamuzi ngokuthi labo abanemali kuma-account abo eThala bazovikeleka. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.
Nasivakashele kumakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi linyukile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kude igroup lengenabo ubumatima ebholeni letinyawo emicuzelwaneni yemave nanobeke kunjalo lisekela lemiceceshwe bafana Helman Mkhalele uthi ke ibafana itawuphuma nesikhuni sivutha kule group lebabekwe kuyo ku-Africa Cup of Nations letawubanjelwa eMorocco. Ibafana ibekwe ku-Group B nemave lafaka ekhathi leGibhithe, iAngola neZimbabwe. IAfcon itawucala mhla tingamashumi ngengongoni kulomnyaka losetulu iphele mhla til-18 ngaBhimbidvwane 2026.
Idro ye-Afcon bebanje itolo yeRabat kanti emaveni labekene bafana lelimatima nguleGibhithe leseliphumelele i-Afcon emahlandla lasikhombisa emdlalweni wokugcina bafana iGibhithe. Ibafana yaphumelela umdlalo ngeligoli linye ecanzini ligoli lomdlalo avalelwa nguThembi Nkosi Lodge.
We know that since we have drawn with Egypt, and Egypt will try to make sure that they cycle the scores of 2019. But with 2019, what happened in 2019, I think it's history. for us, it is important for us to make sure that the team improves. You know, the more we improve, meaning is for us to go and get into the next knockout stages and also eventually winning the trophy.
Kule group bafana etawutfolana kumakhelwane eZimbabwe nele Angola ibafana leZimbabwe babe ku group yena semidlalweni ekuhlungela indebe yemhlaba yanga 2026 nemhlaba nga 2024 ibafana yagqugqisa lamzilikazi emagoli amathathu kulinye eBloemfontein lamave sekathola nemidlalweni emithathu ku-AFCON kanti bafana iphumelele emibili kwathi lo yedwa badlala ngokulingana.
It's a tough group. You know, it's a tough group, and for the fact that we know each other. And also all teams have improved. So for us, we will try to make sure that we continue where we left off in terms of the African Cup of Nations.
Emdlalweni wokuqala ibafana itawuvula nele Angola enkundleni Marrakesh mhla tinga-22 ngeNgongoni. Umdlalo wesibili udlala ngeBoxing Day kuthi wesithathu udlala mhla tinga-24.
Asesithi ishavu wembombela sive ukuthi iDen Dlamini usiphathele tiphi kulethamba embili kulekuphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Den lishonile mnakethu.
Angivusele kuwe Rebecca, angivusele nakuya umbukele ekhaya ngisho nje ukuthi indzaba lesitaba sibhese namhla ehlelweni lethi iphuma embiteni tifaka ekhansi kuthola takamuva nemaphoyisa kulandzela lokushiswa kwamabhasi lasakabe ngetulo kwemashubela 5 akaphakathi kokuso lesifundza seMpumalanga. Ngetulo kwaloko siyawube siva kabalinje ngoba inyuvesi yaseMpumalanga embombela ithi sekuvaliwe kwemukela abafunzi labasha kumnyaka tifundvo wa 2025. Ngiletina letinye umbukele ngathi lenzela kusola nesimbi yesithupha kude kube insimbi yesikhombisa kumsakato likwalagwala FM. Angibuyisele insambo ku-Jose Rebecca.
Mbukeli tikucela lapho ke talomuhla kusasa tikhona telwimi lesindebele kanti uma kubombana isikhombisa tikhona telwimi lwesiXhosa. Ungaphuthelwa simo selitulu ngemva kwetitolo. Thine nawe ke asihlangene ngalwesine insamba malenhle mbukeli.
Asibonga kakhulu ke Rebecca sikwamukele kunasi simo selitulo kanti kasibukela isithombe sethu kusisho namuhla akhombisa kuba mahle kakhulu ke mathuba emvula mobuya kakhulu kade incenye esifundza ke la Eastern Cape njengoba lapha kuye ke la 60% kanti ke alapha kuye ke la 30% makhuphuka eMpumalanga nelive kanti ke sesekhona lawo mathuba emvula lapha kuye ke la 60% kakhulu incenye esifundza ke la Eastern Cape ngalo lomuhla kanti ke isixwayiso lesivela baka South African Weather Service ikhombisa ke ukuduma lokunebungoti kakhulu kade esifundzene ke la Eastern Cape kanti ke naselangeni la kusasa sesekhona ke leso sixwayiso sekuduma kakhulu kwelituli kakhulu kade esifundzene ke la Eastern Cape ngalo lomuhla kanti ke masikubukela ke mazinga ekushisa lapha sinamhla kusingabe ke emenjani mobuka ke la tindzawo letfana nabo Beaufort West likhombisa ke kuphola lezo ndzawo leto ke nabo Calvin yakubo Springbok likhombisa ke kuba lapha ku20 mabuka ndzawo letfana ke nabo Musina boParabula lihleli lapha kuye ke la 21 ngalo muhle kanti ke emazinga ekushisa la setulu masibuka ke langeni la kusasa ikakhulu kade Musina iliphalale kuyashisa kule ndzawo leto ke mabuka nangale boParabula kanti ke Mbombela lihleli lapha ku31 mawehla ngale ikakhulu kade kubomthatha lapha ku30 koma lihleli lapha ku32 mabuka ngale kuboRafi lapha kuye ke la 31 ngalo muhle kusho kuyashisa kule ndzawo leto ke nangale boBeefort West njengoba lapha kuye ke la 27 kanti ke lipholile Fred ndalo ngalo muhle njengoba lapha kuye ke la 27 nangale kuvusa kuyashisa ngalo muhle kanti ke Cape Town nakhona likhombisa ke la kuphola kule leto indzawo leto ke mabuka kakhulu kade indzawo letfana nabo Gcebeka nakhona likhombisa ke kuphola kanti ke Alexandra Bay nakhona likhombisa ke kufuthumala njengoba ehleli lapha kuye ke la 29 ngalo muhle mabuka boFryburg likhombisa ke kushisa kule indzawo leto ke makhuphuka eMpumalanga nelive ngalo muhle njengoba lapha kuye ke la 35 kanti ke mabuka boKimberley ihleli lapha ku36 Uppington ihleli lapha kuye ke la 38 kuyashisa kule indzawo leto ke mawukhuphukela ikakhulu kade Mpumalanga nelive kanti ke mawehla efundzeni lethelugwini nelive ngalo lomuhle likhombisa ke la kuphola kuleto tindzawo leto ngalo lomuhle njengoba mawubuka ikakhulu kade lapha kuleto tindzawo leto ngalo lomuhle kufombisa ke kushisa kuleto tindzawo leto ikakhulu kade boShrom nakhona lapha kuye ke la 28 ngalo lomuhle Beaufort West hleli lapha ku35 ngalo lomuhle boJohannesburg nakhona lisifundza seGauteng ngalo lomuhle nakhona likhombisa ke kushisa kuleto tindzawo leto mawubona boBethlehem ikakhulu kade ngale ke Free State ngalo lomuhle lapha kuye ke la 29 lo usho ukuthi lifuthumele kuleto tindzawo leto ngalo lomuhle kanti ke mawubuka kakhulu kade ekhathi nelive liyakhombisa ukuthi libalele kakhulu kade naseMpumalanga nelive ngalo lomuhle angisho ngithi kungako bengikuphathele kodwa busuku abube lobuhle.